Alright guys, I'm out here fishing with my little nephew. Just got out here to Lake X. I'm gonna start off with the spinnerbait. Got one. I got one. It's a good one, guys. Check it out. Just got here. Not even 5 minutes. I wanted to cover some water first with this spinnerbait. There goes the first one right here, guys. Hopefully we catch some more. Hold on, you're gonna break the rod. Jesus.
Ooh.
What a tank.
He got stuck right there, but I got him out. Ooh. Oh my god.
I told you, man, that brush hog. Yeah, you got him by that log.
He got stuck, but I took him out. Oh.
Get over here.
I felt it. I felt it dragging. I was dragging me around.
That's a good job, man. All right, release her. Right here. I got one, baby. Oh, he let go. Ah, dang it. Oh, shoot. Oh, I got one, bro. Oh, it's a good one. Hold on, I'm gonna let him run. Yes, sir. Check it out, guys. Got another one right at the edge, barely hooked. See you later, buddy.